everyone, welcome to a new week of styling videos. I'm Carolyn and this is Carolyn and her clothes. So this week I decided I'm going to do my colored denim, but as you can suspect, it's going to last longer than a week, so I'm going to have to break this down in parts. I decided to do colored denim this week because one, I've been neglecting my colored denim, and two, I know a lot of people have like a little fear of color on the bottom and are more plainer. So I figured it was probably more interesting to do colored denim versus plain denim. And like I said, I've been neglecting my colored denim. So for today, I have on from Loft a pair of these kick crop flares. And they're in a teal green. So I'll come closer so you can see the green. All right, so they're not a blue, they're definitely like a green. And I have it paired with my new sweater that I got from Stitch Fix. It's by BB Dakota. It's got the dolman style and it has the pointelle. And it has in many colors in here, including some teal green, if you can come closer and see, okay? And with it, I paired my ivory booties. So this is today's outfit for colored denim. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you more colored denim outfits, but I am not going to be wearing colored denim that I've previously worn before in my Call Me Camo and also the Faux Pas. So if I've worn it in either of those series, I'm not going to repeat it. Okay, see you in the next outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and a series that I just decided to name Code Color, Styling Colored Denim. So today's colored denim, you might be like, that's not really colored, right? I'm putting everything in this category, everything but your traditional blue denim. And that's because people tend to stick to the blue denim because that is traditional, it's classic, but I'm trying to give you other ways to style things up so you can get some inspiration, all right? So today's outfit is a pair of level 99 jeans that are like a blue-gray color. They're not quite gray, they're not quite black, but they're like a blue-gray together that have the racing stripe here down the side. I paired it with a rail sweatshirt that I got on sale at Ever Eve last year. And yes, I know the stripes are going the wrong way, but I thought that the varsity stripe here and the varsity or the racing stripe down the side, I thought kind of made a cute little match here. All right, let me stand back so you can see the whole outfit and hopefully my head too, because I tend to chop off my head due to lack of space. Okay, so let me come closer too so you can see the stripe and the color wash of the jeans. They're like a bluish, blackish gray, and it's a white stripe down here that's kind of a satin finish. It is an ankle length style, which I'm gonna freeze when I'm outside. And you're on a rare day where you see my plain white Adidas sneakers. All right, and the rails top has 3 different colored stripes here in silver, gold, and rose gold. And this is my outfit for today. It is Sunday before Martin Luther King. And my big day today is to run to a takeout restaurant and get some chicken. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another episode of Code Color. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today's episode of Code Color is colored denim, and I have on a pair of velveteen jeans. I'm going to call these colored denim even though the material is not denim. They're like a velveteen, super soft, in this rust color that I got from Loft probably like 2 to 3 years ago. They have this button fly going up here, extremely soft, typical denim 5-pocket styling, which is why I'm putting them in with the denim. And I have it with a Trendsend sweater that's like multicolored. I'll bring it closer for you in a minute to see. It's by a company called Maddie N, and I got it from Trendsend many years ago. It was one of my very first Trendsend boxes. And I don't think they carry this name brand anymore, but it is a very cute sweater. Let me show you the back detail on it. So you see how it's open in the back? I have a cardigan, sorry, not a cardigan, a cami underneath of it because of the open back, and you'd be able to see my bra otherwise. And I'd be cold too, but it is kind of a cute back. So let me get closer so you can see. It's like a mixed yarn, varied colors, and there's some rust in there, some burgundy in there, yellow, white, black. And I have on my ivory booties, basically because nothing else matched this. And this is my outfit for today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. And the episode is called Code Color. So I am styling today my colored denim, and today I do have a pair on of corduroys, which I'm classifying as denim, even though it's not material, but they are a color. And I have to apologize again for the lighting. It is 7 p.m. at night, and this is the first time I'm getting around to filming, because I actually had two things I had to do today. Besides the gym, and besides my regular job, I also had virtual jury duty. So balancing the two and going from my work computer, which is downstairs, and my upstairs computer, which is my personal computer, and going between the two all day, it was just insane, just insane. And hopefully I don't get called back tomorrow because I got enough going on. All right, so here's my outfit for today. This is a sanctuary sweater in a leopard print, a very muted leopard print. And with it, I have paired the colored bottoms, which are a pair of like taupe colored corduroys I got from the loft several years ago. With it, I paired a pair of boots that are booties that I don't wear too often. They're by Soul Society in also a taupey color. Not quite the color of the pants, but goes well enough, I think. I'll come closer so you can see the pattern of the shirt. Okay, look at this. This is cute with the little, you know, varsity stripes, and it has like a little bit of a poof sleeve here down at the bottom. And again, this is by Sanctuary, and I got it from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I think it was last year. And this is my outfit for today. Stay tuned for another episode of Code Color tomorrow. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. And today is Code Color. And today I am doing a neutral color denim. I'm doing gray denim. And it kind of sparked my idea of doing a series of how to style gray denim. So be on the lookout for that in the future. So again, my apologies for the poor lighting. I'm doing the exact opposite of what I had done yesterday. I am early morning. So my schedule this week is crazy. So I still have my regular job, and it's as busy as ever because I'm doing year-end reporting. And of all things, I was called to be a petit juror, and it's now virtual. And what that means is you have to be online and available for them whenever they send you an email. So I have to then stop my regular job, run up to my home office upstairs, and go on there. And of course, people see you're still at work and they're going, well, when are you gonna get that done, Carolyn? I'm like, well, I'm doing it in between my jury duties, so it's not exactly easy. It's like when the jury, you know, when I'm free from jury duty on breaks, you know, or if I'm not being called, I can work. But in the meantime, if they call me, I have to go back. So yeah, this week was crazy, and thank goodness I'm not called to a trial. Friday will be my last day. So here's my outfit for today. It is a neutral outfit, and I was like debating, what do I wear with this? One of my friends said to me, Carolyn, you don't wear anything with ruffles. So I said, you know what, let me pull out this top. So this is an entire White House black market outfit, but the jeans and the sweater were purchased at different times. The jeans are those jegging styles that are supposedly very out, but I don't care. These are extremely comfortable. They fit me perfectly. They're exactly at my belly button where I like them. They have the faux pockets here in the front, real pockets in the back. They have a skinny leg, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to wear them with my knee boots. With it, I have a very dark charcoal gray. It's almost black, but it's dark, 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 dark gray. Cardigan with cute little buttons here on the side, and it's a duster style. And I paired it with my sleeveless snakeskin blouse, also from White House Black Market. Like I said, it has the ruffles down front, and I could just pop it over my head. I don't have to unbutton it at all. You know, it's just a pop over. It does have a little button on here on top, but it never gets opened. All right, let me come closer so you can see. All right. And the cardigan is like a rib style cardigan, and the gray jeans. And if you don't already own gray jeans, get a pair. And I'm gonna do a video styling, and there's so many different ways to style gray jeans. Okay, stay tuned for another episode of Code Color. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. And today is Code Color. And I'm happy to report I'm actually wearing some colorful bottoms. So some of you might have been watching and going, oh, she's only showing neutral colored bottoms. Well, today I actually have some color. So sorry again for the lighting. It is pouring rain outside. It's about 8 a.m. and there's just no sun. So again, I have my regular lights and my ring light going, and it's just dark and dreary day. So today I have a pair of what they call burgundy. It's kind of like a dark red. So I wouldn't call this a true burgundy, but a dark red color of Democracy jeans that I got from a Stitch Fix probably about 2 years ago. I paired it with today my White House Black Market jacket because it's just cold and damp and I wanted to be warm. It's like a button-down jacket with pockets here with flaps and a tie belt. I'm going to take the jacket off because I want you to see what I'm wearing underneath. It's a cute top. It's just a cotton knit shirt that I got at Evereve. It's by the name L.A. Made. All right, so it has the balloon sleeves, kind of like a pirate shirt. It's really cute. Puff shoulder a little bit here. And yeah, I'm covering up the cute shirt with the jacket just because it's that cold. I have it paired with my Vince Camuto booties, and today I actually have on my no-show socks, so it actually looks appropriate. And this is my outfit for today. Okay, stay tuned for another day of Code Color. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and today is Friday. So I'm gonna wrap it up for this week. Don't worry, I have more color to show you next week. Maybe not a full week, but I'm gonna wrap it up here, otherwise the video will be too long. It is 7 days worth of outfits, I counted them. So today, I have on a pair of yellow jeans from Loft. Loft? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Loft, that I got these this past summer maybe. And I'm again wearing them with the Vince Camuto little booties. And I typically don't wear yellow pants in the winter, but I figured, you know, let's just show all my color. I have on with it a blouse from Evereve. I believe it is, who is this by? I know I got this back in like May of 2020. I think this one is by Peyton Jensen, I think is the name, or maybe it's Allison Joy. So yeah, it has some yellow in it. I'll come close so you can see the colors. All right, it has some yellow, some white, and so that's what I paired the pants with. And I put it on with this basic blazer because it's always cold, or I am always cold. And this is also from Evereve. I got this on my own years ago, probably about like 3 years ago, and it's Jameson, J-A-M-S-E-S-O-N, I'm not, J-A-M-E-S-O-N, no. Yeah, and I got it like for 40 bucks, believe it or not. So it's a great blazer, lots of stretch to it, has 2 snaps here in front, which I never snap, and yeah, I like it. It's comfortable and keeps me warm. And that's my outfit for today. Take care, and I will see you next week.